In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most beneficent, honorable chief guest, respectable judges, and all the audience present here, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today the topic of my speech is mutual respect of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu anhu and Ali Rasul. The audience, the first Caliph, Amirul Mu'mineen Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu anhu has been given such a unique position and status by Allah Almighty, the Lord of Glory, that even the greatest man in the universe, while acknowledging his greatness, has done a lot in his honor, said this is the reason why the books of the histories are full of facts in which the glory of Siddiq Akbar seems to shine. The fact is that your personality is such that it is worthy of full praise and admiration. It is a collective agreement of all the scholars of Ahl Sunnah wal Jama'ah that the greatest person in this ummah is Abu Bakr, then Umar, then Usman, and then Ali radiallahu anhum. Regarding the purity of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu, it is also a belief of Sunni Muslims that he is the best human being after the prophets. The audience, one day Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq and Hazrat Ali al-Murtada radiallahu ta'ala anhuma came to visit Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Hazrat Ali al-Murtada said to Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq, you knock on the door. Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq said, no, you go ahead. Ali al-Murtada said, I can't go beyond a person to about the home. I heard the messenger of Allah say, be the best. That is Abu Bakr Siddiq is the better after me. Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq said, how can I present a person to whom the prophets offered milks and dates in his service on the occasion of Khaybar and Hunain? Hazrat Ali al-Murtada said, why should I go ahead of you when the messenger of Allah said to you, Abu Bakr, you are my eye? Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq said, why should I prefer a person to whom the messenger of Allah said, Jibreel Amin came to me and told me that I love Ali, and Ali upon this I perform the prostrations of thanks. And then said, Allah Almighty says, I love Fatima too, I perform the prostrations of thanks. Then he said, I love Hassan and Hussein too, I prostrated in thanksgiving. The audience, Hazrat Ali al-Murtada said, why? Hazrat Ali al-Murtada said, how can I go beyond such an elder to about whom the messenger of Allah said, if the faith of all the people of the world is weighed against the faith of the Abu Bakr, then the faith of Abu Bakr will be the heaviest. The audience, the love and affection between Abu Bakr and Ali radiallahu anhuma speaks volume about the legitimacy of this belief of Ahl Sunnah, that the companions and Ahl Bayt were grateful to each other. Also, Hazrat Ali al-Murtada radiallahu ta'ala anhu not only openly acknowledged the virtue and greatness of Sayyiduna Siddiq Akbar and purity over the entire ummah, but also declared this belief in clear words, strictly punish those who speak against this belief. It has been proved that the true lovers of Ali al-Murtada radiallahu ta'ala anhu are those who live according to his instructions, and those who narrate the stories of enmity between the companions. The audience and Ahl Bayt are the enemies of Ali al-Murtada radiallahu ta'ala anhu, and they are disobedient ones. Once Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu anhu said to Ali al-Murtada radiallahu ta'ala anhu, by the one in whose hand is my soul, the kinship of the messenger of the God is dearer to me than my kinship. Thanks.